Stop letting toxic people live rent-free in your head while you're trying to build your legacy. Look around. This is 2026. Chaos is everywhere. Noise is constant. Everyone has something to say, and most of it is designed to control your emotions. But hear this carefully. Your reaction is the only thing you truly own. And today, you're about to learn how to protect it like your life depends on it. We are living in a time where silence feels illegal. Your phone never stops buzzing. Messages, notifications, opinions, drama. Someone is always demanding access to your energy. And the dangerous part? It doesn't feel like an attack. It feels normal. You wake up, check your phone, and within seconds, your mood is already influenced by someone else's life. That is not connection. That is conditioning. In 2026, the battlefield is no longer physical. It's psychological. Your attention is under attack. Your emotions are being triggered on purpose. And your peace? It's being negotiated away, one reaction at a time. Now listen carefully, because this part will change how you see people forever. You've been taught that being nice, being understanding, being available makes you a good person. But in today's world, that same empathy is being used against you. Toxic people don't just want your time. They want your emotional reaction. They provoke you, ignore you, disrespect you, just to pull you into their chaos. Why? Because when you react, they win. They feed off your anger. They feel powerful when they control your mood, and the more you explain yourself, the deeper you fall into their trap. So what's the solution? You stop reacting, and you start observing. Emotionally unreachable people are not cold. They are disciplined. They feel everything, but they don't respond to everything. There's a difference. When someone tries to provoke you, instead of reacting, you pause, you watch, you analyze, and most importantly, you detach. Because not everything deserves your energy. Let me say that again. Not everything deserves your energy. Silence is your greatest weapon. Not shouting, not explaining, not defending. Silence, because silence does something powerful. It denies toxic people the reaction they're desperate for. When you don't respond, they get confused. When you don't explain, they lose control. When you stay calm, they lose access to your mind. And that is power. If you truly want to be emotionally unreachable, you need to build an internal fortress. And here's how. Stop over-explaining yourself. You don't need to justify your peace to anyone. Learn to say less. The more you talk, the more people find ways to manipulate your words. Control your exposure. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts, your plans, or your emotions. Train your mind to stay neutral. Not everything is personal. Not everything needs a response. Sometimes, silence is the loudest answer. But let me be real with you. The moment you start protecting your peace, people will notice. They will call you different. They will say you've changed. They might even try harder to provoke you. Why? Because they lost access to the old version of you, the one they could control. But understand this. Growth always looks like distance to people who benefited from your weakness. Being emotionally unreachable doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care about the right things. It means you choose peace over drama, clarity over confusion, silence over unnecessary arguments. You stop giving your energy to people who haven't earned it, and instead, you invest it in your purpose, your growth, your future. Because at the end of the day, you are not here to react to everything. You are here to build something meaningful. So the next time someone tries to pull you into chaos, pause, breathe, and remember who you're becoming. You are not weak for staying silent. You are not cold for protecting your peace. You are evolving. And not everyone deserves access to that version of you. If this speaks to you, drop a comment and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Word and Soul for more.